Hey guys, it's Anara, and I just came back from school, and ice cream class tomorrow. And the worst part is you have to walk, then you have to get changed, then you have to sit on the stupid hard floor. I don't know how I'm gonna do. So wish me that. That was weird. So sorry. Stop coughing. Thank you. I know this one. Okay, you have to stop doing that. So it's really annoying.
I do YouTube.
Bye. Sorry. Bye bye.